What is going on, Palette Paradise family? Kyle here. I wanted to come and make a quick video. We've been getting a lot of people asking Alex and myself exactly how to navigate through the website. Is kind of confusing. There's a few things on here that's a little bit different than what you'd find in a typical retail store on like an Amazon account. So we want to just come really fast and explain how the website works. So when you go to www.paletteparadise.com, this is going to be the screen that pulls up. It's going to look different maybe at the time of when you're looking at this. At the top right here, it's going to show you all the promotions that we have going at that time currently. So as of right now, we have $10 off $500 to $999. Or if you do over $1,000, you're actually going to get 20% off for anything $1,000 and above. And that's a current promotion we have going on. So you'll always be in the loop of exactly what we got. And then right here, use code 10% or use code 20%, and then that'll provide you the discount when you go to checkout, and I'll show you that here in a few moments. This is going to be the search bar, just like Google or anything else. You type something in here that you may want. Let's go for an example and say laptop. So we'll type in laptop, and bam, it pops up anything that has the word laptop in there on it, and it'll show laptop right there. You click, and then it'll take you respectively to that individual. So while we're here, I'll show you the next step. So we try our best to break down exactly what it is. We show brand first, and then we give the description of what it is. So this one, for an example, is an Intel Core i5, has 16 gigabytes of memory, and then it has a 260 or 256 gigabytes of solid memory. Windows 11 on there, blah blah blah. Now here's where we show the price. You're saving $250 on this instead of going to the store. You're getting a stupid discount. It's $850. You're getting it for $600. Now down here, it'll give you another description of exactly how the product is. So this description lets you know this is the same thing, very similar up here. It is new. It was an open box. That's why we took it out. Works great. Few marks on the shell, meaning the outside has been scratched or something. So we kind of do our best to show that. And then we give a straight from the website kind of description of exactly what it has on. Okay, so we try to do our best to highlight all the key points. Then we try our best to take pictures of everything to show you exactly what is going to be on there, any highlights, any key features. Okay, like I said, got a little scratch right there. It's got all the cords and everything with it. And then what we do on all of our boxes is we will actually put a little sticker right here to show you exactly what it is. So A, who inspected it, and then B, what is the actual code. So it makes it nice so that anybody who's looking can say, email us at, Kyle at paletteparadise.com or Alex at paletteparadise.com, or even our sales team. And you can ask specifically, I'm looking at SKU number 45. Do you still have this available? Can you give me some information? Can you send some extra photos if you really want some extra photos? If there is anything that shows some damage, it gives you a great idea of exactly what we have and how it works. Okay, so that's the easiest way to go. I'll hop back here. This is going to take you to the home screen. So these two buttons right here are the exact same thing. So by clicking this, it shows you our other toolbar, which is very beneficial. By clicking on the word shop, it takes you to our wholesale palettes, clothes, electronics, office supplies, furniture, home improvement, cleaning, or appliances that we have. And then we break these down. These are what are called tags. We go through each product, and as we're inspecting them, and as we go through listing them, we put down what they are. Are they printers? Are they coffee makers? Are they desks? Are they tools? Are they cleaning wipes? And then they're going to go in this respected, if it stands up, this respective category. So just for the sake of things, I am going to go to, let's do lighting. Okay, so in the lighting section, what you'll see is it breaks down everything that has lighting. So this is part of the home decor, the lighting. Okay, same thing as before. Here's the retail price, and here's a discounted price. And then we actually show you the discount you're getting right here in the savings portion. Okay, now let's take a look at, Keurigs. Haha, I love Keurigs. So here's one of the big questions that a lot of people ask us. Okay, so if you read the description, it will say the Keurig K-Pods, K-Pods, the original donut shop. You get one lot of 12 boxes. which comes out to being a total of 288 total K-Cups. Now you're thinking, how does that make sense? There's 24. So then that must mean I get 24 in one of these boxes, but there's 12 boxes, right? So we have one lot of 12 boxes, and each one of these 12 boxes has 24. So we break it down pretty simple. We go through this again. Keurig K-Cup pods, one lot of 12 boxes, 288 cups, and what's actually you're getting is they're new, and there's 12 unopened boxes, and there's 3 boxes that are inside there. So here's what it looks like. Come to the photos, and bam. So you actually get one big box. Inside one of these boxes are going to be 4 major boxes, and that's where these come into play. So we got 3, 4, and then it's going to be inside there. So pretty simple to understand, but a lot of people get confused when they see one lot of. That just means that we're packaging these together, and when you buy this, so for $162 retail, you're saving $52, and you're getting it for $110. You're getting 288 cups that are going to come in, 12 different boxes, and those 12 different boxes are going to be divvied up between 3 of those, and you only pay one price. Okay. Now, what else is neat is if you go to the bottom, because we put those tags together, we put other products that you may like that are in comparison with that one product. So you may be like, Kyle, I would love to get the K-Cups, but guess what? I don't have a Keurig. No problem. Go to the very bottom, and we show the different Keurigs. We have 2 different Keurigs here. We actually have 5 of these in stock, and then we actually got a bigger boy, which is a 2500 as well. So these are all commercial grade. So you can buy the Keurig as well. And then if you're like, well, what am I going to put my Keurig cups in, my K-Cups? Well, simple. We actually have an 8-sleeve K-Cup holder that you can put them in. So you can put all your K-Cups in here. You can get different flavors. You can put them in here. You can put them at work, wherever you're buying these for, at home, on the desk, anywhere. You can put these inside there. And then we have a metal mesh where you're like, okay, well, I have all this, but where am I going to put my cups? Well, if you have it at a retail store or you have it in an office, you just put your cups right here. You can see on here as well that they have like other little things. You can put napkins on the side. You can put straws and spoons. You can put so much stuff. And then we even have spoons if you want something to mix it with. So we try to make it as simple and easy as possible for you whenever you're looking to purchase. And at the very, very bottom, these are some things that I recently reviewed, or others have recently reviewed down here at the bottom. And then again, just for an example, I'll go over this one more time so you can see. Here's an Ecolab multi-purpose disinfectant wipe, very, very high-end disinfectant wipe. You are getting a case of this. Okay, so you're getting six of these, right? Which comes out to be 150 wipes per container. You're getting 6 of them, okay? And what's going to happen is instead of paying for the $62, you're paying $10, and you get 150 wipes per one of these, and you get 6 of them. So what does that look like? Very easy. 6 containers in one box, and you get 6 of them. So guys, I hope this tutorial helped you very, very well. Please come through, play around with it. Also do us a big favor. At the very, very bottom, we have our Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and our YouTube. Please do us a favor and become fans of each and every one of those. Now, say for an example, you like this product. I want to buy it now. Bada bing, bada boom, cha-ching. It is in your cart. What you'll notice, it goes through and you can purchase right here. Now, the discount code, this is where you'd come and you would type that 10%, P-E-R-C-E-N-T, P-E-R-C-E-N-T. There you go. Still spelled it wrong. G-Minis, P-E-R-C-E-N-T. There you go. 10%. You'd apply it. Now it's going to say that it doesn't work for the simple fact that you're not at $500, but that's where you'd put that in. You'd see the discount right here, apply. This would lower. And then you pick, do you want it to be shipped? Do you want it to pick up? How you want that to be going? Bam. Go to the next step. Bada bing, bada boom. You guys are done. I hope this is very informative for everybody who's been asking. I hope this helps you very, very well. And again, always remember, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Websites, www.paletteparadise.com. And can't wait for you guys to start leaving reviews about how much you love the products. Have a great day.